This is homework 8. First we have problem 1. For problem 1, first is class point. For private, we have the value of x and y coordinates. And for the public, here's constructors. And we have get x and get y. And for the class circle, we have private for point center and also the radius. And for public, here's constructors and get the center, get radius, get area, get parameters. And we have 3 functions to decide whether it contains another point, whether it contains another circle, and whether those two circles overlaps. And for the second contain is overloads the first contain. And for the main function, we're gonna have the value from the questions, and then we can do the test. And these are the UML graph. This is pretty straightforward. And for the problem 2, first we have class my date. We use this one to have the date, the year, month, and day, the int, and we're gonna return a string of the date. Then is the class person. We have the person's information right here, and then you're gonna return the other informations with toString function. And this one we use virtual because we need to override toString in other classes. And here's class student. For a student, it has status. You need constant status. So yeah, I just added here the constant string status, and then you override the toString function. And here's employee, and the employee we need a date here. The date here is from my date, is a my date variable, and then we have the employee, and also we have all this information and override the toString. And for here, let's see, where is that? This one is the default toString because salary is a number, and we can use the C++ default toString for salary. And also this one, because the date is my date, and we're gonna use the my toString in my date. And the faculty is similar. Yeah, this is just similar to the employee, and also the staff. But is a child class from employee, and staff is also a child class of employee. And then we have main function. We're gonna have these values, and I use the name from Pirates of Caribbean, Jack Sparrow, Elizabeth, something like this, and then we have the result. Yeah, and for the UML graph, first the employee and student, they are all child classes from person, and the faculty and staff is the child class of employee. And the date is not some child or parent class, but because the date here is from my date, so it has some connection. So I just add a line right here. So yeah, thank you.